Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two handheld strapping machine brands will be going head-to-head. We have the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool and the BAOSHISHAN Electric Strapping Tool. Have you ever been in awe of how tightly sealed some boxes, jars, and other storage items are? Most of them may even use polyester, polypropylene, polycord, steel, or stainless steel to achieve that perfect seal. If you ever wondered how these locking systems work, or you want to do them with your own storage, you may do so with handheld strapping machines. In today's video, we are proud to present two of our best contenders, the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool and the BAOSHISHAN Electric Strapping Tool, which have both earned 5 badges from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. To help you line up with your best option, we're going to see how these two strong challengers will combat each other in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other handheld strapping machines that we reviewed, do check out our handheld strapping machine review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these handheld strapping machines will be going toe-to-toe with would be their battery. What makes strapping machines a level higher than your usual tape rubber and steel straps is their battery operation. However, the addition of batteries is quite new to the market, so you might see models that'll still require manual operation, just like the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool. This one uses a little more work and effort to fully strap bigger items. But if you're keeping a keen eye on its challenger, you'll see that the BAOSHISHAN Electric Strapping Tool is preparing its big punch with its 3000 mAh battery. With this amount of power, you can complete strapping 80 to 200 items continuously if you're going for one layer each. They're also easy to start and replace, so you're not going to experience any hassle if the battery runs out in the middle of your packing. For this round, we're giving the first win to the BAOSHISHAN Electric Strapping Tool. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their structure. After getting a slight hint of their operation, we're now going to be looking into their designs and structures, since it's important to be comfortable with this kind of tool, especially if you're strapping in big materials. Fully automated strapping machines are made to withstand heavy use, making them ideal for a variety of environments such as factories, warehouses, and the like. They're long-lasting and have physical features that allow for easy storage, extending their lifespans. Because of their durability, they make excellent investments. On one hand, the BAOSHISHAN Electric Strapping Tool has one key tension, which makes the machine more stable, and one key strapping, which is powered by independent motors. It's also suitable for thin strapping, thanks to additional gasket accessories. On the other hand, the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool has a portable layout that's convenient for travel and transfer, easy to operate, and you can also save effort and improve work efficiency. This one doesn't have fasteners but a friction hot fusion, solid and beautiful interface, high tightening force, and special construction for easy closure and wrapping. In this category, the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool seems to be catching up to its competitor with its ergonomic structure. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their material. After knowing their frame and layout, you might be curious about the material of these items. After all, knowing what the tool is made of gives you an idea of how long it's going to last on your shelf. If you decide to go for the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool, this tool is long-lasting because it's made of high-strength alloy materials for the body and components, has a high reliability design, and is made using advanced manufacturing technology. Meanwhile, the BAOSHISHAN Electric Strapping Tool also has an alloy that creates a serrated profile, high-strength blade, fast cutting speed, and neat cut. It also makes great consumables, including replaceable accessories such as a cutter, tightening wheel, and welding plate. However, improper operation, excessive tensioning, using straps that are not required, and a load with a sharp corner will result in tightening force loss or straps breaking, and it doesn't offer extra resistance as the intensity and resistance of the alloy in SDRTOP. For this match, we're going the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool another point. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their motor and operation. Strapping machines typically use sensors to detect the concentration of a single product or box. The strap material is then fed into the system via a spool or pulley system, and mechanical spinners or arms flip the straps around the objective. This is a quick mechanical motion that could be part of an assembly line. Through knowing the motors, you can find out more about how this is going to work in terms of operation. In terms of the BAOSHISHAN Electric Strapping Tool, it has 2 motors, so welding and cutting are managed by separate motors, resulting in a more stable and durable machine. This can result in up to 1/2 inch to 5/8 inches or 0.024 to 0.047 inch strapping width. On the flip side, since the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool is not battery operated, Motors are a little bit out of the picture. Instead, the machine requires an external air pump to operate, and the interface can be rotated 360 degrees for easier use. It also has a rewind button that makes finishing packing and adjusting the packing belt easier. And just when you think the SDRTOP is getting ahead of its competitor, this option locks in the Triumph with a bandwidth of 1/2 to 3/4 inch or 0.024 to 0.75 inch. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their max tension force. Any package has its own set of tension requirements. Lumping soft and springy items, for example, may require only enough tension to hold multiple items together, while harder objects such as wooden crates may require more tension. Automatic strapping machines have adjustable tension levels so that workers can use the right amount of tension for each item. With a BAOSHISHAN Electric Strapping Tool, you're going to be getting a maximum tensioning force of up to 2,800 Newton, which is equivalent to a tensile force of 285 kilograms, saving significant manpower. But if you go for the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool, you're going to get greater tensioning force with its maximum of up to 35,000 Newton, which equates to 3,569 kilograms of force, and it's going to help you conserve much more energy, all without needing to charge every once in a while. For this final face-off, the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool threw one last strong punch and exited as the victor. The exciting match between the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool and the BAOSHISHAN Electric Strapping Tool has now come to an end. Though this match started off with the BAOSHISHAN Electric Strapping Tool taking a big step forward in terms of battery category, the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool remained steady on its ground with structure, material, motor, tension level, which allowed it to back the metal in today's brand wars. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the SDRTOP Pneumatic Strapping Tool and the BAOSHISHAN Electric Strapping Tool has finally ended. If you have any contenders for a next handheld strapping machine face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.